Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about LG's 32-inch smart LCD TV which is compatible with NVIDIA GeForce. So friend, LG has unveiled a 32-inch smart LCD TV 32LX7000PJB with its own operating system webOS 22, and it is available now, and it is equipped with LG's most recent operating system webOS 22, and it offers a variety of VOD content, and it also supports NVIDIA GeForce Now, allowing you to play the game without the need for the separate gaming PC or consumer game console. And friend, by combining the 5th generation engine Gen5 AI processor with its own AI function and latest magic remote control set to the published later this year, and friend, you may turn the power on or off, change the volume, alter volume simply by talking to the web, and friend, you will be able to search for and recommend similar material based on the viewing habits or register account. And friend, the LCD panel is a VS system. The resolution is Full HD. The tuner is terrestrial digital into 2 BS digital TV by 110 degrees CS digital into 2. The network is wired LAN into 1. IEEE 802.11 AC, ABG and wireless LAN. Bluetooth 5.0 is supported. And when the interface on the other hand has HDMI into 2, USB into 1, infrared input into 2, optical digital output into 1, and headphone output into 1. And friend, the external measurements are 736 mm in width, 180 mm in depth, 464 mm in height, and 4.7 kg is weight. And friend, it priced at roughly $339. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.